There's the new cross member. Bolts in and out. Cut the old one out. Actually connected to the transmission. New shift linkage. Got a new drive shaft. Actually just a remade drive shaft, one that fits. Goes in the tailstock. Got things straightened out. It's not Z-shaped anymore. The offset's still there, but it doesn't matter. Got new fuel lines, new fuel pump, all that nonsense, new brake lines. Rerouted the transmission cooler lines, got rid of that cooler box. We got new motor mounts. They can actually take the engine out. Fix the plethora of leaks.